I recently found out what makes this path so dangerous. Not just the volcano, ignore that for a second. I want to speak. So
and
that
danger though, and that geyser right there that he's just shooting up, and his name is Henrik Dangerthal, and the path is just named Danger Path after Henrik, who's a great man and thought a lot about lava.
With the accent, he thought a lot about lava. So right there is there's freshly dry lava. Weatherman Micah saying it's kind of cloudy, but it's also going to be cold and hot. Thank you. So this is on fire right now. This is a little grass on fire because we're at a volcano, and it's very hot over there. There's the peak of the volcano. When it erupts, I'll let you know. But for now, man, it is really burning. Yeah, everything's on fire. You just either have to get used to it or you just do it quickly so your legs don't burn. There's good reason why I'm up here climbing. That's why we're here. A river of lava. Never hurt anybody. There we go. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god, I could feel it. Oh, that's so hot. I need to take this up. Oh, shoot. I'm debating, is this hot or cold? Is it hot or cold? It's me with an active volcano behind me. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm actually like, I'm within 100 feet of the lava, so it feels kind of hot. Here we go. I should stop talking and just let it go. But it does smell like a barbecue. Here we go. Rock and lava. Ah. What? Oh, it's fire. Oh my god. It sank. Yo! That's so cool. It's still on fire. This one's flowing. See? It's rock. It is, oh my. I'm here next to lava that is flowing. There are no signs that say don't do this, so they can't legally charge me for doing this. This is the coolest science experiment I have ever done. This may be the coolest thing I've ever done, or one of the coolest things I've ever done. Look behind me. We have flowing lava right there. We have done a science experiment already about whether things float or sink in lava. Quick thing, if you are ever near flowing lava, test this out. Definitely don't, like, this lava rock, not very stable. Please let it be known that I did stand at least at one point on top of these things before they absolutely collapsed beneath me. Oh, look at that.